habang tumatagal, nandyan lang yung fund mo, there's a possibility that since nagko-compound interest yan, mas lalaki yung investment mo. Mas mag-grow. Pero may isa tayo dapat i-consider when we say growth. Yung time. Yung time, mag-leverage tayo sa time. The longer na nandyan yung fund mo, the higher the chance na mag-grow. Now na ganun yung concept natin, ano yung best way for you to use this? So, dalawa yung aking recommendation kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Number 1 recommendation ko is for you to use this as your retirement fund. Nagagamitin mo lang siya ng 60 or 65. Since the longer, hintay natin ng age 60, 65, mas ma-maximize mo yung compound interest, mas lalaki yung investment mo. Kasi I have clients na pwede na ba mag-withdraw after 5 years, after 10 years, pwede na ba mag-withdraw. Yung nagiging reason nila madalas is reason for the withdrawal of leisure. Diba? Yung gusto lang magbakasyon, kailangan ng fund. Pwede naman natin gawin yun, pero di mo na ma-maximize yung growth ng fund.